Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at another theme. This time I want to look at Basic. Basic is an offshoot of Zen, but it's stripped down so that it has all of the useful benefits, but not a lot of the instruction. So it's more for advanced users, people who aren't really getting a feel for what a theme is all about. But the different structure is interesting, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. We have our .info file, and in Basic we have all of our folders in the base directory. One idea behind Basic is that it's not intended for sub-theming. Instead, Basic is something that you would copy and then edit directly, basically hack up. It doesn't include a changelog because you're probably not going to be upgrading Basic. Once you download it and change it, it's going to become a different beast, and so you're not going to need to upgrade it, or upgrading won't really be a possible option. So all of the important files are in folders in the base directory, even though this is a Zen offshoot. So CSS, images, templates, and then there's one called Sass. Sass is a CSS preprocessor, which allows you to create a modified version of CSS that includes certain logic, for example, conditional CSS or using variables inside of CSS. And this Sass folder contains all of the source files for that. All of them have been exported into normal CSS files because not everybody is going to be working with SASS or Sass inside of their theme. So you can either work with these or install a couple extra modules in order to use the Sass files directly. We have our license, logo, and README, template.php, and themesettings.php. So everything else looks pretty normal. Let's go ahead and look at how the CSS is structured on this one. Okay. We have a couple different split outs of the style sheets. We have style, print, layout, which are all separate structures. We have tabs, which relates to how the primary and secondary menu, or main and secondary menus, display. And then we have some specific style sheets for Internet Explorer 6 and Internet Explorer 7.